Hello, dear student. Welcome to your own academy, Strive Edge IAS Academy. So, dear student, today we are going to discuss an important issue where last couple of days I am receiving lot of calls from the student and the problem they are facing and what kind of solution we are providing in this video we are going to see. So you know that OPSC is going to conduct this year examination in June 2026, but if you just analyze last couple of year, you will find the level of question they are asking in the OPSC prelims, they are UPSC level, full of concept. If you know the concept, you'll able to clear there is nothing like single liner ratification. So you need to have clarity of your concept. So conceptual clarity is very essential. Next, if you see out of 1 lakh student, they are appearing for the prelims, only 10 times of the number of posts they are going to write the main examination. So real battle is the prelims. So are you prepared for that? And a lot of student complaining me about the real problem they are facing in the OPSC coaching available in the Odisha. So problem they are facing, first is about the faculty lacking the exam experience. Most of the coaching institute, they are providing with the faculty, they don't even clear the prelims, mains and interview. Just imagine if they don't have experience and how they are going to guide you. Second, to clear this OPSC, you need conceptual clarity, not simply rote learning. You need to have that clarity of concept. And next is about the material. So you need to have good study material that is prepared as per the need of the OPSC, not some copy paste material, random material. Then if you are following this kind of coaching, this kind of faculty, this kind of weak conceptual, what is the result? Student waste their precious time, their energy, their money. At the end, their result is zero. They have failed in the examination. So don't waste all your time. Your coaching needs some high quality guidance at very low cost. To solve this problem, Strive Edge IAS brings 200 hours crash course. We are going to cover entire syllabus of OPSC prelims, starting from Odisha specific content to CSAT current affair in just 200 hours. Okay, so you can see here what makes us our difference as compared to other. All our faculty, they have clear either UPSC or OPSC or other state PCS examinations. So all our faculties having 3 or 4 year of experience in different best institution of the India. Not just, we are not here to do experiment on you, and don't let your career to be spoiled by those who don't have experience. And here you'll get UPSC level faculties, and you'll get UPSC level teaching quality at fraction of cost. Here you'll get the recorded classes, notes and test series that we are going to provide. So course duration, it will start from 10th Feb, it will last till May 2023, and total duration of class will be 100 days, and each days you'll get around 2 hour classes. So that means you will get enough time for to revise whatever we have discussed in the class, and we'll provide the PDF and read that properly and revise it. That is more than enough for your examination. So we have divided the syllabus into, will complete your polity and constitution in 30 hours, and will complete the economy in 30 hours, geography 30, Odisha specific content in 24 hours, then art and culture in 24 hours, then environment ecology 24 hours. So and then science and technology in 20 hours, and modern history in just 18 hours. So dear student, this is what the schedule that we are going to follow to complete entire syllabus. And if additional time may required, we'll give it to you, so that recorded format or live classes, so that if anything important, we should not miss it. Okay, so next, if you just see about it, so what you will get in our guidance this program. So you'll get the best faculty who will help you to clarify all your concept, and 200 classes. So we'll streamline your preparation. No need to waste your money here and there and search a lot of videos, so that the time you save, you can revise it multiple number of times. Okay, so to join, you can simply call in this number, or you can click the link given in the description box to check out our courses, or you can download our Strive Edge IAS Academy application. There you'll get the detail about the course. Also, we are providing Odisha specific current affair previous year question, you can check out also. So here the lunch price is 10,000 rupees, but we have given 50% discount for first 20 students. So those who have joined, you can join it. So it is, the discount is available for limited period of time. And one more thing, there is EMI option is also available. Those who not able to pay entire amount in one go, they can also pay in EMI option available in our application also. So if you see our faculty, so you can see about Smriti sir, myself is Smriti Ranjan Mishra. Already I'm having experience of 4 year teaching in different institutions all over the India. I've already given UPSC 5 mains, multiple state and UPSC interview also. Also, I have worked with the Assam government project for APSC and UPSC as a deputy director. There, I have created a lot of successful candidate for both APSC and UPSC also. So second, if we see about Abdes sir is having vast experience giving 4 mains and multiple state and UPSC interview, former Bajiram guest faculty. Just imagine what kind of faculty you are getting in this program. We are not here to doing experiment. And Samruddhi ma'am, people know about Samruddhi ma'am. The way ma'am teach, it's excellent. There is no one can compare with the Samruddhi ma'am. So next is about Shashidhar sir. I think you already know Shashidhar. Shashidhar sir is also given UPSC interview, having multiple experience, worked with multiple institutions all over the India. So next is Raj Kumar sir. Raj Bharma nahi hai, Raj Kumar sir. So Raj Kumar sir is basically making each and every content very simple, very informative. So that is what people like the most about the Raj Kumar sir. So next is about Sudhanshu sir. Sudhanshu sir currently working with the government, currently government employee, clear the UPPCS examination, already given 2 UPSC interview. Just imagine what kind of guidance you'll get from the Sudhanshu sir. Deepak sir is also given 5 UPSC mains and currently already also clear the UPPCS service, and also was in the UPPCS service also. So this is our faculty. You can get their expertise and they'll help you to clarify your concept. So different teachers, they'll teach different subject. We are not just a random faculty, they are the best faculty of India we are making for you. So here we have distributed the subject. First we'll start from the polity, then modern history, then gradually go on. So this PDF I'll upload, you can check out in our code section. You can just download the application there. I'll just upload, you can check out it. So dear student, you can join this course, and here it is given the class schedule. Everything is given in a very detailed format. So which day which class is going to be happen, so you can just read it. You'll get a lot of insights. So dear student, though the price of the course is 10,000 rupees, but we have started this price because of request of the large number of students to keep the price very low. We are making it only 5,000 or 4,999 for first 20 students. So please join it till otherwise the offer will be end. So because you might not get that benefit. So to join this course, you can simply click the link given in the description box, or you can message me, or you can message in this number, or you can WhatsApp in this number. So our team will be reach out and provide the course to you. Chaliye dear student, bye bye, take care, have a good day, bye.